Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make Nimkin. This is a crunchy savory snack eaten in the Indian subcontinent. It's more or less like chin chin but more crunchy, guys. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, add the flour, black sesame seeds, that is totally optional. I added in salt, sugar as well, and then grated nutmeg. The last ingredient that I added in was olive oil. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So mix it together until it forms a breadcrumbs consistency like so. Create a well in the middle and add in water. So like I said, I thought my camera was filming when adding in the sugar, but then it didn't come out. So please, I added in sugar as well, and then the nutmeg. I'll stir this together till well combined, and then until it forms a dough. Once it's formed a dough, don't overwork it. And the dough shouldn't be sticky at all. So I placed it back in the bowl, covered it with a clean napkin, and then I'll set it aside to rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, go ahead and preheat your oil. Later, I placed back the dough on my work surface and I divided it into 4 equal parts. But then because I was having a small work surface, that's why. But if you have a big working surface, you can roll all at once and then cut them. I'll sprinkle a little bit of flour on my work surface. Make sure it's well floured, and then and then transfer the dough on it. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on the dough again and then roll it. This should be the thickness. It should be less than 1 millimeter, just like so. It should be very thin. I'll then use a pizza cutter to shape it well and then cut it into smaller pieces. So like when you get to this point, you can go in for any size, any shape at all that you want of your choice. This is how I did mine, and then it turned out so delicious. The most important thing is that you roll it flat. It should be thin, just as demonstrated in the video. So guys, this is simple, easy, and then these bad boys are ready to be fried. Just look at them. Or should I say bad girls? And then like as soon as you put it in the oil, just look at how it's floating on top. It's not heavy at all. It doesn't even absorb any oil at all. And then trust me, it's delicious. It's yummicious. Just look at it. It's tiny, and then like when you eat one, you feel like eating another one, and another one again. Just look at it, guys. Stay close to it and keep turning until it turns to slightly golden brown. This does not take time at all. Once you add it to your oil, less than 5 minutes, it's ready because it's thin and then it's like tiny little pieces, so it doesn't take long at all. And trust me, it's very crunchy. Mamma mia. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this. Just look at it. It's crunchy. Your kids are going to love it, and even for like when you're making a party, you can do this 2 days or 3 days ahead and then serve it to your guests as a snack. Trust me, they will love it. They will love it. Love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.